Hey everyone, welcome to Daily Dialogue's YouTube channel. I'm Mark.
And I'm Chloe. It's good to see you.
Today, we're going to talk about a feeling we all know. That moment when you look around and think, where am I?
Oh no, yes, being lost. It's not a good feeling, but don't worry, it happens to everyone.
It really does. So, Chloe, before we talk about that, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
My weekend was nice, thank you for asking. I went for a long walk in the city on Saturday.
That sounds relaxing.
It was until I got lost.
Oh no, I thought you knew the city well.
I do, usually, but I was in a new neighborhood. I was looking for a small park. My friend said, "Oh, it's right by the big blue building." So I'm walking, and I see a big blue building, but there's no park.
Maybe it was the wrong blue building.
Exactly. There were two big blue buildings. So I'm standing on the street, looking at my phone. The map on my phone is spinning. It doesn't know which way I'm facing. I was completely turned around.
I hate when the map spins. It's so confusing. So, what did you do?
I did what we should all do. I asked for help. I saw a woman waiting for a bus. She looked friendly. I walked up to her and I said, first I said, "Excuse me."
That's the perfect first word. Excuse me. It's polite. It gets their attention.
Right, excuse me. She looked at me and smiled, so I knew it was okay to ask. Then I said, "I'm a little lost. Can you help me?"
I'm a little lost. That's a great, simple phrase. It explains the situation fast.
Yes, and she was so nice. She said, "Sure, where are you trying to go?" So I told her, "I'm looking for the park. Is it near here?"
Good. You were clear. You said what you needed. Did she know?
She did. She said, "Oh, yes, it's very close." And then she gave me directions. This is the important part. She didn't use north, south, east, west.
Thank goodness. I never know which way is north.
Me neither. She used simple words. She said, "Go straight for 2 blocks."
Go straight. Block means one street to the next street.
Right. Go straight for 2 blocks. Then she said, "Turn left at the coffee shop."
Turn left, and she used a landmark, at the coffee shop. That's so much easier than a street name.
Much easier. I can look for a coffee shop. Then she said, "The park is on your right." On your right. Simple.
So go straight, turn left, on your right. These are the basic direction words. Did you find it?
I did. It was exactly where she said. I was so happy. I said, "Thank you so much. You really helped me." And she said, "No problem. Have a nice day."
A perfect little conversation, start to finish. You must have felt great.
I did. It's a good feeling to ask for help and find your way. Okay, your turn, Mark. Do you have a lost story?
Oh, I have a funny one and a little embarrassing. This was in another country. I didn't speak the language very well.
Oh, that's more difficult.
It was. I was looking for my hotel. I had the address on my phone, but my phone battery died.
No, the worst.
The absolute worst. So I have a paper map, an old paper map from the hotel, but I can't read the street signs. They're in a different alphabet.
What did you do?
I stood on a street corner. I tried to look calm, but inside I was panicking. Finally, I saw a police officer. I thought, a police officer can help.
Good idea.
I walked over. I said, "Excuse me, sir." Very polite. He nodded. I showed him my map. I pointed to the hotel name. I said very slowly, "I am lost. Hotel. Where is this?" My English was not good.
But you tried. That's what matters.
He was very kind. He looked at the map. He looked at me. He didn't speak much English either. So he used his hands.
Hand directions.
Big hand directions. He pointed down the street. He said, "Go." Then he made a turning motion with his hand. Turn. Then he held up 3 fingers. 3 streets. Then he pointed to the left.
Go, turn, 3 streets left.
Yes, I understood the hands. I said, thank you so much." I bowed a little. He smiled, and I walked. And you know what? I found it.
That's amazing. So you didn't need perfect sentences. You just needed a few words and some hand signals.
Exactly. The key is to try. Most people want to help. They see you're trying and they will try to help you.
So, for our friends practicing, let's practice some simple phrases. What if you don't know the word lost? What can you say?
You can say, I can't find, and then say the place. I can't find the train station. Or, where is the museum? Just the simple question, where is?
Where is the bathroom? Very important question.
The most important. And if you don't understand the directions, it's okay to ask again. You can say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that please? Or one more time please?
Yes, or you can say, can you point? Point to your map or your phone.
So the steps are, first, say, excuse me. Second, say you need help. Can you help me? Third, ask your question, where is the park? Fourth, listen. Fifth, say thank you.
It sounds simple when we say it like that.
It is simple. The hard part is the nervous feeling, but after you do it one time, the second time is easier.
That's so true. My story on Saturday, it was easy because I've done it before. The first time I asked for directions in English, my heart was beating so fast.
Mine too, but the person just smiled and helped. That's what I try to remember.
So remember, everyone gets lost. It's not a big problem. It's just a chance to have a small conversation and meet a friendly person.
And learn a little more about the city or about people.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to ask. Excuse me, can you help me?
You might make someone's day. Helping someone feels good.
That's a nice way to think about it. Okay, we hope you feel more confident now.
Thanks for listening. Go explore, and if you get lost, you know what to do.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.